eze Hyacinth Ọhazurike OON ka o zutasịrị ike mmụọ na-abọ dukwara ndị eze ndị ọzọ nakwa ụmụ Igbo kara aka ndị si obodo dị iche iche na Nigeria wee soro ya bata obodo Ghana. O duoro ha gaba ozigbo n'obi Obirikpong Ni Kojo Ababio n'obi ya dị na Jamestown Mashe Accra nke dị n'obodo Ghana. O jele kelee ya wee gosikwa Obirikpong n'onwe ya onye bụ eze ndị Igbo nke Ghana, ya bụ eze Geoffrey Mokugbo. Lekwanụ ka nke a si mee.
Ebe anyị nọ na-ahụ na obi Obirikpong Ni Kojo Ababio, the fifth, the paramount chief of Ghanian Amafro, the overlord of all the chiefs in Ghana. Anyị nọ na-ahụ na obi ịnabata ndị otu anyị ndị isi ndị eze dị iche iche si n'ala Igbo bịa na Ghana n'ụbọchị taa. Ọ nwere n'obi ka anyị nọ n'ụbọchị nke dị taa abalị 9 n'ime ọnwa 10 n'afọ a.
Paramount chief of Alata, the whole Alata, Jamestown. The land stretches from Jamesford prisons where we have seen to central region, down to Asamakase, coming down again, eastern region, coming down again. So it's a very vast area. We have up to about 80 to 100 villages under the stool. And that is his residence. You are all welcome here. Receiving you is his private residence, but the official residence is the Machaguna, where all of you know, on the high street, opposite the Jamesford prisons. That's where his palace, the palace is. But this is his official, this is his residence. You are all welcome. I know you have traveled far and wide, so we welcome you with both hands.
Nigeria, Ghana, question no. Your Royal Majesty, I crave your indulgence to permit me to introduce some of the august personalities you are seeing before you now. For a brief introduction. We are from Nigeria, and this is Association of Indians and Igbo, News Region, Nigeria and the Diaspora. And the leader of this group is no other person than Hyacinth Ọhazurike OON. Omeraha, Eze Nkumetu, Eze ndị Igbo, Nigeria, Eze ndị Igbo, Lagos State, and National President of Association of Indians and Igbo.
So, for now, as the customary demand, you are in the midst of the lesson. As they have already mentioned to you that, the people have already mentioned to you that he is on the panel, he is a resident, national resident president. So, since we have come to all staff, we are meet here, in our custom, have to pour libation, call our senses and the gods and all spirits in the Ghana land to come behind us so that whatever or in our means, everything should be successful. And
Agago, niwe ganame. Agame. Agago. Agame. Ago. Agame. Ago chame Ghanian. Agame. Woboloma wo. Woboloma wo. Woboloma wo fichede ampopa mi ke na asase afia. Anabolo ke bukabolo. Uke kreba ajo dane. Nishi ajo nimra akwe. Ojojo. 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 Buko klibi. Lutata. Lutangre shala tomashi. Ngene bino bimponi ko jabe bi onije enu. Leta se no. Wobojo mo. Kehale. Wobojo mo kehani me ke na me fe ne boli. Wobojo mo hangre shibi fe. Wobojo mo ha wonyeme Nigeria Igbo bi. Ngene bina me bo bimpon we. Ha bo shida. Aga choko echakwa me tekwe echakwa. Ka me ba she shi ahwehwe no ni yo fo eyefo gene bine awo bri ponshi aka me baba na me ba na mba ngale me ba she shi hwehwe luchumo ka me hie na me ba aju no nu wo ko peji ni se do mo shi no fe no na ba fi efo manye ame bia ne ba efo manye ame ya efo manye no se anwe Shamo fe, shamo nuwa kama shina. Efo manye ya. Kengreshi bi fe. Kaibo bi fe. Ni yoga. Ni meke name. Yena mba chona mba na sanye. Akpali ameke jeje. Yena mba chona mba na shika. Akama chonje. Kawa chame ameke kwa ba shia. Ni shia ashwele. Chame kenyeme ni meke name. Wambi wala sekele. Jemo kenile. Loya ke shwele mo. Cha no ba ya fi wa wa yo
Yeah. Your Majesty, Ezenkume, OON, FNLG. Your Highness, last time I came here, I came to tell you that I have a message from a king that is coming from Nigeria to deliver to you. Today, they have arrived. Your Highness, that message I gave to you that day, I will now ask for your authority so that the Igbo, Gburugburu, Nkume, the second, OON, will now deliver that message because that day I came just like a servant, but today the master is in our midst. Your Highness, I ask for your permission to sit down and then permit him to speak. Thank you, sir.
Chairman, what is your name? Okay, you were a blood of me. Okay, get the attention. What is Kusum, but Yamato, Eba, it's an Ebana, go. Eba Gage. They get a friend of the Kayaba Sense. Never introduce a good bar, a chon, check the same. Okay, if I should be an leg, near Nigeria, never should be an end. If I follow, I can pursue for you all. Here they feel, here they know. To touch my temple. Okay, in Unglet, you can make a Babana, you know, call a John of Bagger, can you ask more? Can you ask more? But war, can you have no fellow now? Can't be no fellow now. I'm a fair pony. I'm a star back home. I'm a show appreciation. The eight two. I'm a poor. It wouldn't work. When I feel the case and the way, the equate, the A one. Danny anyway, the trap, no my younger.
It's my duty in any country or state. We must have an arrowhead, that tradition. And on a cultural and organization, we have the head. This man is now choosing, and they have been in Lagos, have crowned him. He is the Igbo of Ghana. I'm handing over to the people of Ghana. Whenever I have anything to do Igbos, I'm not saying with Yorubas, I'm specifically on Igbos. You know, Igbo is just like a Jew. Any place we decide, we have to know ourselves. So this is our arrowhead, not custom and culture, tradition of Igbo. So I believe whatever you want him to do in Ghana, he will be perfect concerning me. And if you go contrary to your directive, you will hear the message. And you will tell him, call him father. And I believe that he will not go contrary to your directive. And a traditional setting is not by money. If it is by money, people can buy it anywhere. But we look into a person, even though if there are 10 or 20 contesting for the stew, one person must choose. Two people cannot be the head at the same time. So we investigated enough, then I told our people we here before we automatically decide to crown him. I said to come to Lagos. When you come to Lagos, the seat of the tradition of cooking, I give him the title of SND of Ghana. My idea is to see the people of Ghana. As I see the person that I love to see, the paramount chief, I'm very happy that the tradition of Ghana is going to be respected. What we are doing today is just to crown it all. We have already installed as SND for them to see me live. Because I don't travel anyhow. I'm a young man, 60-something years. Most of mine, and I'm the best to be able to crown all over the whole world, wherever they have an SND, go to America. I've traveled to America, all other the countries to store our SND over there. So from seeing me here today is the end of everything.